Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 7th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Cancer, your channel message is the High Priestess reversed. Someone wants you to be wrong so bad. Someone just, it says the High Priestess in reverse. Someone wants you to be wrong so bad. Passport. So I'm getting, first of all, somebody doesn't believe that you're a citizen of a certain country. Somebody doesn't believe you have a passport. They believe you're this unintelligent immigrant. No, I think someone's racist as fuck. So they think black people don't walk with IDs. You remember that whole racist thing that happened in America? They're black. We don't understand why police are harassing black people just because they don't walk around with IDs. Who told you that? Every black nigga I know walk around with the ID. So I don't know if someone's racist as fuck. If that's not it, then what I'm getting is, yeah, someone wants you to be wrong so bad. Someone wants you to be a unclaimed, documented person in this country so bad. Someone wants you to have a reason to hide from the police, hide from fucking immigration services. Someone swears that you're basically a fucking you're a big open secret. Someone thinks you are. So I'm getting, somebody's like, you don't have that passport, you don't have that pass, you're not from the country, they don't even know you, you never got there, you never been there. Show me the stamps in your passport. Why not show me why your mother didn't open her legs to your father? Show me why, because apparently your father is not here, so we cannot see the reason. Great, okay, anyways, let us go ahead and enjoy a song by Neo, even though he's stressing out his baby mother and the woman who is taking care of her kids, Rihanna. It's so much I love you. It's so much I need you. And I can't stand you. Now must everything you do make me wanna smile, even though I like it for a while. Oh, and he won't let me. And he upset me, boy, but then I kiss his lips, and all of a sudden I forget that I was upset. I can't remember what he did, but you know exactly what to do, so that I can't stay mad at you for too long. That's wrong. And you know exactly how to touch, so that I don't want to fuss and fight no more. Now in the parcel I adore you, and I hate how much I love you, boy. I can't stand how much I need you, and I hate how much I love you, boy. And I just can't let you go. And I hate that I love you so. Oh yeah, Mr. Post Canada. Hey. So I'm getting someone hates that they love you so much, okay? I don't know what that has to do with denying your port of entry into a country, but I'm getting you're the High Priestess. So someone hate that they love you so much, because you always right, Cancer. You always right. Someone wants you to be wrong so badly. You're always right. You're always right, sweetie. It's not your fault. Get the fuck over it. Get over it. Get over it like the elections. Get over it. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Nah, I'm so glad I'm over here. Nah, let's go. Let's go. We got the Three of Pentacles coming on first. So I'm getting collaboration, business. Okay? So maybe you're working a team. I'm getting two of these three people. You made the third person. They're not on your side. They're there to basically not listen to your opinions. Whatever you suggest them to do, they're going to do the opposite. Basically, someone really just there to throw you off and to make you feel like your opinions don't matter, even though you have a say in the company just like everybody else, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and go in your reading, all right? Your overall message is the Three of Pentacles, so that is collaboration. Now let's go into what else is this saying? Oh my God, it's spinning all over. Spinning all over. Okay, we have a 6 of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting you're leaving. Did you relocate to join this company, or I'm getting the company wants you to work from a different location? We have the Hermit card. The more you go missing for some reason. Or I'm getting there's a tracker on your car. If you don't know this, one tracker on your car. You need to look underneath where the wheel them there. There's a tracker there. I'm getting your workplace put this tracker on you. Unless you're driving around a company vehicle, you should know it have a tracker on it. So don't be stopping at any houses. We have the 3 of Pentacles again, 33. 3 of Pentacles is your opening card. We have 3 of Pentacles again. So is it that there's something about me getting 2 different companies have your name on it? 2 different contracts have your name on it, and it's saying that you're working for 2 different people at the exact same time. So I don't know if this is an error in the system, if there's a duplication in the system, or me getting them are gonna send you away. Them are gonna send you away for work with these people. Them are gonna send you away for work with these people. But if there's a location where you originally were at, them are gonna make somebody else work there. If that makes sense. Me getting a company. It have 2 different locations. Me getting them I send you to the farthest location, and I give somebody else your name for use at this location. Cause me getting your name upon 2 different accounts, working for 2 different people, but you're unemployed. I'm getting them supposed to just take your name, take your signature, and then you go missing. So they can always claim another payroll for somebody, but you're not there, you're gone. You ain't there. Your name on payroll though. Your name is saying you're working. We have a moon. Yeah, but we don't know where you work. Nobody don't know where you are. Where you work. It's say you're employed. Where you're employed, to who you work with, because it's saying it's a big reputable business. I'm getting it's all forged paperwork. But again, because you're so incompetent, thinking that you know everything, you'll never see the signs. Just like how you don't see the signs that your daughter being molested. Let's go ahead and go into your reading by the 4 of Cups. And then we have the Knight of Pentacles. So yeah, I'm getting is either you're supposed to be going to another location and you don't want to go, or I'm getting you know exactly what somebody doing to you. Them using your identity 2 times. Them a duplicate your shit. So I'm getting them, but I'm getting one can't get the job unless I'm getting 2 of you have to be there at the same time. So if you say no, that person have to wait. If them you say yes, them can go. So I'm getting every move that you make determines the outcome of somebody else's life. So it's either these people have somebody else using your name and your information, but they're using you as the face for write the form. But when the form gets submitted on every single thing, them I talk to somebody else. Because we have 3 of Pentacles here 2 times. This is 2 different companies. So I'm getting, why are you working for 2 different companies? Or I'm getting 2 different companies, say you walk off on a job and you never came back. I'm getting it's a lie. You don't work for these people. You don't work for them. You don't work for them. Fake business, you don't work for these people. So they're talking about garnishing wages. They're talking about, oh, they need to see your pay stub. You don't work. So I don't know which big business. A pie carby trading. Pie carby trading must tell us that I work for them. It's not me. It's fake business. It's not me. They sold my name because apparently my name, my pictures, and my personality is being sold. It started from the dark web, but most of y'all are too incompetent to know what that is. But the ones who do know what it is, yeah, my homie, yeah, the real homies, yeah, the real intelligent people, yeah, it started on the dark web. That's why nobody in this world know what the fuck's happening. Because just because you're a police officer, it don't mean that you're training cyber world. You need hackers, you need Canadian white hackers to deal with these shit what I'm talking about. So fake business, you don't work for these people. My name and date of birth and other things were just sold. They sell the package online. It's on the dark web. They can sell it and you can buy my information and pretend to be me. You get pictures, IDs, everything you get. It's on the dark web. I don't know if that was supposed to be a surprise. Bright future. Don't know if that was supposed to be a surprise. there is a ghost in my room. So if you want to be Vanessa Carby, if you want me things them, if you want like pictures, videos, everything, I don't know who I said it. I probably want white man to sell me information, but it's on the dark web, you can get it. And you'll see my whole display, my whole profile, my family information, everything. It starts from a dark web, so you should know. We're dealing with things that exceeds the intelligence of the normal 9-to-5 employees. And we have mean girls, especially the ugly bitches committee, because they're too ugly. They don't know nothing about dark web or deep web shit. They just know about trying to not be ugly. That's the whole. And makeup will not help. Please. And women, makeup don't make you less ugly. You should know that. If your eye big, no blood clot, your eye big. If your mouth big, no blood clot, like you could have hold 3 dick in it big. Makeup don't cover that hideous looking stare. And none of those caterpillars on your eye, you don't cover anything else. You look worse. Ugly women with caterpillar on them eyes, they don't look better. It make you look worse. So I'm not sure how could you apply makeup to your eyes and your face and you look worse. You probably should focus on something more internal then. I'm gonna leave it here. Should I leave it here? No? Did I pull any of these? We have Pisces. And we have third eye. So maybe the ugly bitches are Pisces, but apparently their third eye is not open. Their pussy is bigger than the third eye. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Goodbye.